I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by uploading the final video and preparing a tight transcript so YouTube can match text to audio. Once uploaded, fill title, description, and pick the spoken language. These influence caption accuracy. Make sure automatic captions are allowed in the video settings. While processing runs, open subtitles in YouTube Studio. This is where you'll control the process. Start the caption workflow now so YouTube has both audio and a transcript to work from. Once in subtitles, choose the video language and click Add or Edit to see YouTube's auto-generated captions. If they exist, load them. If not, upload your transcript as a subrip, SRT, or transcript file to force exact text. This is the only reliable route for perfect captions. Then edit in the built-in editor. Fix misheard words, adjust timestamps, and split long lines for readability. Make incremental saves so you don't lose timing corrections while refining the captions. Finish by publishing the captions and deciding whether they default on or remain optional. Once done, test playback on mobile and desktop to confirm sync. If lines overlap or display incorrectly, reopen the editor and nudge timestamps or shorten lines. Small timing shifts fix most issues. If captions won't appear, export a corrected SRT with UTF-8 encoding and re-upload. This one troubleshooting step resolves encoding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.